So, welcome back to Dom 5280, guys. So for today, I am wrapping my center console. It's like just the front end of it, and also like I've taken the bezel off. And for you guys that don't know how to take off the bezel, I have a 2008. And for you guys that have the model with the wires for the climate control, you gotta disconnect the wires from the bottom. There's one on each side. They're pretty simple. Just pull down the tab and then pop them off. That easy. This is what the bezel looked like out of the car. I'm also doing that other piece. So I'm wrapping it a glossy black. So for this, you'll need a heat gun and you'll need an X-Acto knife. Make sure you get a clean, sharp one. And some rubbing alcohol. Rub down the surface really well, and that's really about it from that point on. And let's get on with the video. So here's the finished product, guys. It's looking clean. I also added that red bar there so it can match the same one I have under my radio. Also, I did a little like bump out sketch of Dom 5280, my channel. So, and yeah. And that concludes the video, guys. So yeah, I know it's not very long, but it's a different look for the vehicle. You know, it makes my car look a lot nicer. on the interior, as opposed to what it had before that was all, you know, paint was chipping off it and things like that. So yeah, peace out, guys. Remember, fast cars and fast responsibilities.
Dom 5280.